Hey pressure washing enthusiasts! Are you struggling with tough outdoor cleaning jobs? Tired of renting expensive pressure washers that never quite meet your expectations? Well, get ready because today, we're diving deep into the world of Karcher pressure washers. I've personally tested each of these models extensively, and I'm here to share my honest, hands-on experience to help you make the best choice for your cleaning needs. From entry-level models to professional-grade equipment, we're counting down the top 7 Karcher pressure washers that are revolutionizing home cleaning in 2025. Let's kick off our countdown with the Karcher 15-inch surface cleaner attachment, a game-changing accessory that's transformed how I clean large surfaces. During my extensive testing across various surfaces, from weathered concrete driveways to wooden decks, this attachment consistently delivered impressive results. The dual spinning jets are the real stars here. They create a perfect cleaning pattern that eliminates the frustrating streaks typically left by standard nozzles. I was particularly impressed by how the jets maintain consistent pressure across the entire 15-inch cleaning path, ensuring uniform cleaning results every time. What really sets this attachment apart is its versatility. While it excels on flat surfaces, I found it equally effective on slightly textured surfaces like stamped concrete. The splash-free skirt isn't just a gimmick, it's a practical feature that keeps you dry and prevents water from spraying onto nearby walls or furniture. Durability is another strong point. After months of regular use, the housing showed minimal wear, and the nozzles maintained their original performance. The quick connect fitting makes it easy to attach and detach, though I recommend keeping the connection point clean for optimal performance. One aspect that particularly impressed me was its efficiency in terms of water usage. Despite its wider cleaning path, it actually uses less water than traditional nozzles while cleaning more effectively. This makes it not just environmentally friendly, but also economical in the long run. 6. Karcher K1700 Cube Electric Pressure Washer. The K1700 Cube represents a brilliant marriage of form and function. After using this model for several months, I can confidently say it's one of the most innovative designs in the pressure washer market. The cubic shape isn't just about aesthetics, it's a practical solution for storage challenges in modern homes. Performance-wise, the K1700 delivers consistent pressure that makes light work of most household cleaning tasks. I've used it for everything from cleaning patio furniture to washing cars, and it's never disappointed. The True Pressure system ensures you're getting every bit of the advertised 1,700 psi, which is evident in the cleaning results. The onboard detergent tank is one of my favorite features. It's perfectly sized for most cleaning jobs, and the foam cannon attachment creates thick, clingy suds that enhance cleaning effectiveness. I found this particularly useful for vehicle cleaning, where the foam helps break down road grime and bug splatter effectively. What really stands out is the thoughtful design of the accessories. The Quick Connect system is robust and leak-free, while the cord and hose storage solutions are practical and space-efficient. The 3-year warranty provides peace of mind, though based on my experience with the build quality, you're unlikely to need it. The only minor drawback I've noticed is that the hose could be a bit longer for larger cleaning jobs. However, this is easily solved with an extension, and the standard length is perfectly adequate for most household tasks. 5. Karcher K2 Entry Electric Pressure Washer. The K2 entry model might be considered Karcher's starter option, but don't let that fool you. After putting this 1,600 psi washer through its paces, I found it to be a remarkably capable machine that punches well above its weight class. The compact design makes it perfect for urban homes where storage space is at a premium. What truly impressed me during testing was the Vario Power Spray Wand. Unlike fixed nozzles, this adjustable wand lets you dial in exactly the right pressure for each task. I've used it for everything from washing delicate garden furniture to cleaning grimy garbage bins, and the versatility is outstanding. The lightweight design might seem like a compromise, but it's actually a major advantage. I found myself easily carrying it up and down stairs and around corners without strain. The stability during operation is excellent, no wobbling or tipping, even when pulling on the hose. One feature that deserves special mention is the water-saving motor design. During my testing, I noticed significantly lower water consumption compared to similar models in this class. This not only makes it environmentally friendly, but also helps keep utility bills in check. The detergent application system is well thought out, though I recommend using Karcher's own cleaning solutions for optimal results. I've tested it with both generic and branded detergents, and the difference in foaming action and cleaning effectiveness is noticeable. For Karcher K1800 PS Electric Pressure Washer. Moving up to the K1800 PS, we're entering serious cleaning territory. This 1800 PSI powerhouse has become one of my go-to recommendations for homeowners who need professional-grade cleaning capability without the professional-grade price tag. The Pressure Select technology is a standout feature that I've grown to appreciate more with each use. Being able to switch between different pressure settings without changing nozzles is a huge time saver. During my testing, I found myself frequently switching between high pressure for concrete and lower settings for more delicate surfaces like painted wood. The four quick connect nozzles that come with this unit deserve special attention. The turbo nozzle, in particular, is a beast at removing stubborn stains. I tested it on a decade-old oil stain on my driveway, and the results were remarkable. The 15-degree nozzle proved perfect for second-story cleaning, providing just the right balance of pressure and coverage. Durability is clearly a priority in the design. The metal frame construction inspires confidence, and after months of regular use, everything from the connections to the trigger mechanism remains tight and responsive. The wheels are large enough to handle rough terrain, and the telescopic handle makes transportation a breeze. Storage solutions on this model are particularly well thought out. The onboard accessory storage keeps everything organized and readily available. I especially appreciate how the power cord and high-pressure hose can be neatly wrapped and secured, preventing the all-too-common tangling issues. 3. Karcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer. The K5 Premium represents a significant step up in both power and sophistication. With its 2000 psi and water-cooled induction motor, this machine means serious business. After extensive testing across various challenging cleaning scenarios, I can confidently say this is where professional-grade performance meets home user convenience. The water-cooled motor technology is more than just a marketing feature. During long cleaning sessions, I noticed how the motor maintained consistent performance without the heat buildup common in lesser models. This translates to longer working sessions and extended equipment life. The Dirt Blaster spray wand is nothing short of revolutionary. When I tested it against tough stains and years of accumulated grime, the results were spectacular. The rotating pencil jet combines the deep cleaning of a pinpoint spray with the coverage of a wider pattern, effectively increasing cleaning power by up to 50%. One of the most impressive features is the NCOR pump, which is practically maintenance-free. After months of regular use, including some pretty demanding jobs, the pump performance remained consistent. The onboard hose reel is a practical addition that prevents kinking and makes storage much more convenient. The detergent tank system on the K5 Premium deserves special mention. The dual tank setup allows you to switch between different cleaning solutions without emptying and refilling. I found this particularly useful when transitioning between cleaning different surfaces that required different detergents. 2. Karcher K1800 PS Cube Electric Pressure Washer. The K1800 PS Cube represents Karcher's innovative approach to modern pressure washer design. After spending considerable time with this model, I can confidently say it's revolutionizing how we think about pressure washer storage and functionality. The Cube design isn't just visually appealing, it's a practical solution for those with limited storage space. During my extensive testing, the Pressure Select technology proved to be a standout feature. The ability to adjust pressure settings with a simple dial made transitioning between different cleaning tasks seamless. I found myself easily switching from cleaning delicate patio furniture to tackling stubborn driveway stains without changing nozzles. The 25-foot high-pressure hose deserves special mention. Unlike cheaper models that tend to kink and tangle, this hose remains flexible and manageable even in cold weather. The Quick Connect system is robust and leak-free, something I particularly appreciated during long cleaning sessions. The foam cannon attachment is a game-changer for vehicle cleaning. The thick, clingy foam it produces helps break down dirt and grime effectively. I tested it on various vehicles, from muddy SUVs to delicate sports car finishes, and the results were consistently impressive. What really sets this model apart is its stability during operation. The low center of gravity and metal frame construction eliminate the tipping issues common with traditional pressure washer designs. Even when pulling the hose to its full length, the unit remains firmly planted. Finally, we've reached the crown jewel of Karcher's lineup, the K2300 PS. This flagship model represents everything I love about pressure washing technology, combining raw power with sophisticated control features. After months of testing, I can confidently say this is the most versatile and capable electric pressure washer I've ever used. The 2300 psi output is impressive, but what really stands out is how this power is delivered. The brushless motor technology ensures consistent performance without the maintenance headaches of traditional motors. During extended cleaning sessions, I noticed no drop in pressure or performance, something that can't be said for many competitors. The Pressure Select technology on this model is the most refined I've encountered. 5 distinct pressure settings, each optimized for specific cleaning tasks, take the guesswork out of pressure selection. I found this particularly useful when cleaning mixed surfaces, like transitioning from concrete driveways to wooden decks. The premium spray gun deserves special attention. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during long cleaning sessions, and the trigger response is precise and smooth. The 25-foot kink-resistant hose provides excellent reach without sacrificing pressure, and the metal frame construction ensures durability while maintaining mobility. One feature that particularly impressed me was the advanced detergent system. The variable mix ratio allows you to precisely control detergent concentration, something I found invaluable when dealing with different levels of dirt and grime. The large-capacity detergent tank means fewer refills during big cleaning projects. The onboard storage solutions are thoughtfully designed, with dedicated spaces for nozzles, power cord, and hose. The large wheels make transportation across rough terrain effortless, and the telescopic handle adjusts to your preferred height for comfortable maneuvering. After extensive testing across various cleaning scenarios, from heavily soiled driveways to delicate garden furniture, I can confidently say the K2300 PS is worth every penny. It's not just about the raw power, it's about how that power is harnessed and controlled to deliver professional-grade results in a user-friendly package. And there you have it, folks! A comprehensive look at the best Karcher pressure washers available today. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a serious cleaning enthusiast, there's a model here that will meet your needs. Remember to consider your specific cleaning requirements when making your choice, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.